Everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for this video. Today I'm going to be unboxing some new items that are releasing from Love Posh. I will have my affiliate link and discount code down in the description. Okay, so I just realized when I was editing this video that I said the wrong date. The release is going to be on Sunday, the 7th at 1 p.m. Central Standard Time. Again, I'll have all the info down in my description, so I'm going to try to edit out whenever I mention the date because it was incorrect, and then edit myself in saying the correct date. But it is on Sunday, the 7th. So again, link is down in the description, affiliate code and all that. Discount code is in the description as well. If you're interested in purchasing. In this video, I'm just going to unbox everything so you can see all the things that are releasing on that day. So looks like we have some sticker books. Oh, these are huge sticker books actually. We have some dividers, and I think these are covers. Oh yeah, these are covers. Really cool. Okay, so I'm gonna wrap all of these so you can see everything. Let's go actually over the dividers first. So there's 4 different divider covers that I'm gonna go over. The first one is this really cute Valentine's theme one, so this will be perfect for February. I love changing out my planner seasonally for the theme, so this is a cute one to add to the rotation. So you have all the Valentine stuff. I like the little stripe going in the background. Inside it's a floral, nice floral print, which actually you could use this as a cover too, so it's kind of two. Actually you could use this one as a cover too because it does flip. It does flip, so you actually have 3 options of covers. You can use this one as the cover with this as the inside, and then you have this. You could use this one as a cover. Well, this one's kind of upside down. No, this way as a cover, and then this one as a cover. Wait, let me flip this right way around. Which way is around? This way. Okay, so then this way. So 3 different covers here that you can pick and choose from. Okay, so that one is the Valentine theme one. Next, there is actually don't have a special cover, like a seasonal cover for this month. So this would be for July, for 4th of July. We have the flags, all the red, white, and blue. So that would be one cover option. Or again, you can do this inside as the outside cover here. And then we just have stripes, which you could do stripes as a cover as well. So 3 options on that one too. That one is the 4th of July. Next we have Halloween, but like a cute decorative Halloween. I actually do this on my wall. So I love the little bats on the wall. Really cute. I like, again, the stripes in the background. All right, and the inside cover. Oh, this one has like spider webs with the florals. So again, that could be your cover. And then the back. This one's the only one that you couldn't make a cover, although this one is super cute. The back is really cute. I wish you could make this one a cover. It says it's just a bunch of hocus pocus. Oh, so cute. Okay, so those are the Halloween one. And then next we have a fall themed one. This one's got like the nice plaid in the background, the pumpkins and the leaves. Thankful, grateful, blessed. Oh, and I didn't mention before, but these are all classic size covers. They have the pumpkins. Again, that could be the front cover, and then the back, which you could do if you turned it this way, then it could be a cover as well. Really pretty. Okay, so those are the fall ones. So those are the covers that you can purchase in this release. You want to just pick up a cover. Okay, next we have monthly dividers. Oh, I actually use, these are really pretty. I use these at work for my planner at work. I have a version of these from Love Posh, and I really like having these, so I can change them up a little bit. Oh, it's seasonal too, so love that. All right, so these are dividers, tab dividers that you can use in your planner. You can add in your weeklies in between these. So we have January, it's really pretty pinks right there. Here's February, the Valentine theme with the florals. Oh, look at March. That's my birth month. So love that. The butterflies and the birds and the pretty blues. Okay, then we got the spring theme on this one. It's really pretty pastels. Ooh, I love this one. June, the tropical vibes, the surfboard, the stripes. Really pretty. This is like the cover we just saw for July. That one. Ooh, look at that pretty sunset scene with the bike and the picnic. That's really pretty. Okay, September, we got a fall one with a little fox and a little pie. Okay, this was like the cover we just saw. And then November for Thanksgiving. And then here's just, ooh, the pretty pastels. Christmas. Oh, I love that. Okay, so those are the dividers, a seasonal themed divider set here. Okay, and then next we have sticker books. These are huge sticker books. All right, we have two. Seasonal Love, Seasonal Love, January through June, and then July through December. So half the year and half the year. So 2 books for the seasons. And they are thick. They are 61 pages in these books. Okay, so let's go over January through June first. All right, so here's the first one. Let me move my table up a bit. All right, so here's the first sticker sheet. The pretty pinks and the animal print and polka dots. The florals that go with that. Ooh, there's some boxes, some layered boxes, which are nice. These little like washi kind of stickers. The functional, ooh, I love the print on these. The bullet points and all the functional things. And we get an alphabet in the color scheme. And lots of washi. Ooh, this is really nice. It's kind of got everything you need. And then I believe this is just like one sheet. Like one big sticker sheet that you can use on this spread. Oh, there's a couple. So it's kind of like scrapbook paper, but with sticker paper. Next theme, Valentine's. This is the February in this section. The florals, again, the boxes already layered, love that. The functional sheets here, and the alphabets and numbers. Washi stickers. And then these again are the, I'm gonna call them the scrapbook paper stickers. Ooh, I love this one. That one's really cute. Okay, here's March with the pretty butterflies and the blue florals. Spring vibes. Ooh, I love the blue and green together. Really pretty colors. Alphabets and numbers. The washi. And then this sticker paper. That's what I'll call it, sticker paper. More sticker paper here. Here is April. Easter kind of theme here, but spring florals. These boxes are so cute. I love all the different clustered ones, the patterny ones. Those are really pretty. The color scheme is really nice. All the alphabet letters and numbers. All the washi and the sticker paper. Okay, here is May. All the spring florals, pretty pastel colors, functional stickers here. Loving all these alphabet letters. Really good color combos. Washi and the sticker paper. So I plan on doing a spread. I'll probably do a fall spread, even though I really love this one. I kind of want to do one in this theme, but we'll see what I end up doing. And I will make sure to use that sticker paper just to kind of test it out. But look how cute these are. I'm loving these like back. Usually I'm not a fan of something in the box, but I like that it's a little whitewashed over it, so it's not as like in your face. Like I don't know. I like that. It's a little bit more subtle. Okay, the fun alphabet and numbers. Ooh, look at this one. I like this one because it looks like water, stripes and florals. Oh, that's so cute. Do a little corner piece with that. All the umbrellas, so pretty. I saw the colors. And then we have some quotes. Happy New Year, Happy Father's Day, XOXO, welcome spring, love, 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 spring is in the air. Salty Beach. So kind of one for every season that's in this book. And there's one sheet like that. Okay, it's a nice, very thorough book. This one, you would just need this book. It has everything that you need to make a spread, which is awesome. I love that. I love a book that is like that. Okay, next we're getting into July to December. Okay, first one up is the 4th of July theme. All the red, white, and blue. The flags. Again, loving the layered boxes. All the functional stickers and the alphabets. So you can make like some really cool special pages with this. Loving this washi. And then this sticker paper. Okay, this one is August. Okay, got the summery little ladybugs and the florals. I'm loving these little scenes. Those are really pretty. Alphabets and numbers. The washi, little strawberries, and then the sticker paper. Okay, now we're into fall, which is September. Really pretty colors. The layered boxes. The functional stickers and the alphabets. Super pretty. Okay, next one is the Halloween. And it's not like super Halloween. It feels like more like decorated house Halloween. Like, I don't know. It's not like ghosts and, you know, all those spooky things. It's like cute Halloween. Like, look how cute that is. I like them holding up the pumpkins on their face. Okay. The boxes and the alphabets. Oh, the bat one's so cute. Okay, the sticker paper here. Ooh, that's a nice star one. I'm loving that one too. Okay, next is the November one for Thanksgiving. Florals, the boxes, and all the functional stickers. The washi, plaids, all the pretty fall colors. And then we're getting into December. All the Christmas vibes. I'm loving the pastel Christmas. The snowflakes are really cute, the different pattern ones. That's different. Florals. So pretty. I'm loving this color scheme. Okay, the alphabets. The washi, and then the sticker paper, the presents and the ornaments. So pretty. Okay, and then the last page are the quotes. 'Tis the season to be jolly, God bless America, trick or treat, hello summer, hello October, Merry Christmas. Okay, so that is July through December seasonal love. Okay, so if you're a seasonal person like me, you're gonna love this collection because I love seasonal stuff, especially if I can change out my planner. So these are all great options to add in. Love these dividers. Those were a lot of fun. Also seeing these covers. I'm excited to see what other covers they will be coming out with. Hopefully more seasons. But that is gonna be it for this video. Let me know down in the comments, what should I do, summer, or should I do a summer or fall themed spread? Because I will do a video. I'll post it before the release. Let me know, fall or summer, because we're still technically in summer, or should I do a fall spread? Let me know and I will do that one. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Again, if you're interested in purchasing, and like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, I'm just editing myself in just to say the correct date, which is September 7th, which is a Sunday at 1 p.m. Central Standard Time is when this release will be dropping. Details down in my description, affiliate link, discount code is down there as well, so definitely check it out. But until then, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.